Now we are going to do a small and easy exercise to recall the present tense. Conjuguer les verbes dans au présent de l'indicatif. So we are going to conjugate the verbs in the bracket in the present tense. So the first sentence, je dash Sylvie. The verb given is attendre. Attendre means to wait. Now, how do you conjugate this verb? For je, it is attendre. J'attends Sylvie. I wait for Sylvie. The second sentence, vous dash choisir quelle couleur. You, the bracket, it is choisir, which means to choose. Quelle couleur, what color. So now we know the conjugation for choisir. For vous, it is so because we know the conjugation for these verbs in the present tense, all you have to do is fill in the correct conjugation. So you must be knowing this very well, but you need to keep practicing because you must never forget these things. Next, elle. Elle, the word here is devoir, apprendre un nouveau mot. So now the verb is devoir. For elle, the conjugation is doit. Okay, now the next one, chaque jour, every day, nous dash prendre l'autobus. Now the verb is prendre. So you know how to conjugate prendre, and the subject is nous. So it is prenons. Nous prenons l'autobus. The next sentence, tu venir avec moi au cinéma. Now the verb is venir and the subject is tu. So the conjugation is viens. Tu viens avec moi au cinéma. The next sentence, elle, the verb is descendre l'escalier 4-4. Now the verb descendre, for elle it is descendant. So this is just for your practice so that you know for all the subjects. So le samedi, nous dash, the bracket, the verb is faire les courses. Now we know the conjugation for faire. For nous it is faisons. Faisons. So this was probably very easy for you because you know the conjugation in the present tense very well. So we did this exercise just to recall your memory of the present tense.